Hello and welcome to another one of my videos. This is going to be a short one. In today's video we will cover replacing the plastic knob that comes with your DS-12 with an aluminum one. The idea is that it feels better on the hand and sounds better. Sadly, it doesn't really sound better. The whole housing is just plastic, and so you're not going to get that same feel than you have with a DS-14 or 16 or 24. But it looks nice. And to accomplish the task, it is super easy. You will use the Torx 6 that comes with your radio, and if you don't have one, you can go to Lowe's or Home Depot and get a really nice kit just like this one. I got this Craftsman, and take out the screws on the back, and I'll show you the 6 screws that needs to be taken out here. You're gonna also need a 1.3 millimeter Allen that comes with the knob, I believe. In my case, I'm just going to use a nice long one that I have laying around from my other helicopter bolts. Okay, with that out of the way, first off you will need something to put your radio on so you don't mash up the sticks. I just have a cheap piece of foam here, actually from another project I was working on, and so you can put your radio upside down on here. And then you will take out the 6 screws, 2 right in the top there, you'll see under the bar, 2 below that, the one in the middle, and then 2 right in the bottom. Well, can't count, 7 screws. Sorry about that. I have already gone ahead and taken them out, so you don't have to watch me take screws out. That's kind of ridiculous. And then you can see the very pretty inside of your radio. If you now look in the bottom left, and I'll turn around so maybe you can have a better look at it here, the knob is right in there, and to get to it you just need a long Allen, or specifically a ball driver would actually be nicer. But before we get to that, let's take off the battery, because you don't want to accidentally short out something on your radio and then poof, everything is gone. Alright, so now I'm trying to show you a little closer view there, but with the lighting it is really difficult to see it. You want to rotate the knob so you can see the set screw, and there you go, you can see the set screw right there, and that's the only thing you have to do. So you can take that 1.3 millimeter Allen, put it in there, loosen that knob just enough so that you can actually slide it out. You don't want to drop the set screw in your radio again, just, and so it's not really tight, and please don't put Loctite back in there, because then you won't ever be able to get it out again. I just tightened mine when I put it back in nicely, but there you go. So as you can see, I didn't loosen it all the way, and the main reason is you won't be able to get it out. If your set screw is too far out, then it won't go through the PC board. Either that, or you're gonna have to take it out completely. In my case, I didn't. I just screwed it in just enough so it touches again and slid the whole thing out. And that's really all there is to it. Once you've taken the knob out, you put the new one in and reverse the procedure. You go back ahead and tighten that set screw up nicely and put the cover back on. And that's all there is to it. Hope this video has been helpful to somebody that's interested in replacing that knob. Like, subscribe, and talk at you later.